Good morning, students. Today we read practical geometry, how to construct a given quadrilateral. So many conditions are there, according to 5 information I told you in previous video that when 5 informations given about a about a quadrilateral, then we can easily draw. So if a quadrilateral, 2 adjacent sides given and 3 angles are given, then how can you draw a quadrilateral? So your question is, construct a quadrilateral that is mist, M-I-S-T, then where MI equal to 3.5 cm, IS equal to 6.5 cm, then angle M equal to 75 degree, then angle I equal to 105 degree, then angle S equal to 120 degree. So I hope you know how to draw the angles by using a rounder. So let's remind little small revise. It is a straight line. That is, it is a straight angle. It is 180 degree. So when you take a rounder, any distance you according to your wish, so you just draw this. So without moving or changing the distance, when you put from here one arc, again you put one arc and you will get 3 equal parts. So each part is 60 degree because total is 180. So each center, when you draw, just put an arc, half arc, then without moving from here arc another, then you get 60 degree. This much is your 60 degree. 60, 60, 60, 180 degree. So if 60 means this much. 90 degree, how much you do? 60 plus 90 means 60 plus 30. It is 90 degree. So from this to this point also 60 degree. So when we divide into 2 parts, equal 2 parts, then we will get 30 degree. So again same, put your rounder here, take more than half, draw and arc, and here also one arc. Then when you join, you get total this much, 90 degree. Okay, here 30, 30, 62 half, 30, 30, it is 90 degree. 105, how will you draw? This much from this to this is 30 degree. So 90 degree plus 15 equal to 105. Okay, so this part only is your almost 30 degree. Again here, again if you will make 2 parts, then you total you get this much is your 105 degree. Okay, so 120 means how much? When you same thing, you draw an arc, 3 parts. So this is 60, this is 60, total 120 degree. Okay, like this 75 degree. 75 degree means how much? 60 plus 15. 75 degree means 60 plus 15 degree. How will you draw? So first you draw 90 degree according to your process. So it is 60, it is 30, 90. So when we divide this 30 into 2 parts and we join, that you get 75 degree. Okay, so like this we will draw given angles, then we will construct, which will help us to construct a given quadrilateral. So first I said that these are given information, given that, then rough diagram. Draw any rough diagram. Suppose M-I-S-T. Your MI given 3.5, IS given 6.5, angle M equal to 75 degree, angle I equal to 105 degree, angle S equal to 120 degree. So how can you draw this quadrilateral? So here we take MI as a base. This is rough diagram, we just inverse it. So suppose first we take as MI as a base, it is 3.5. At M we will draw 75 degree at M. Same procedure, 60, 60, it is 90. When which is not necessary, you will just do dotted lines. Just dotted lines. Okay. Then this we divide part. We get here 75 degree at M. Then at I, how much? 105 degree. Same procedure. Do 60, 60, again 90 dotted line. Here this part we divide two part because it is 90 plus 15. So you just make two part, increase it. Okay. IS, how much? 6.5. You take 6.5 from your scale and you just draw an arc. It is 6.5. Okay. Then here again 120 degree. Here you draw 120 degree. 60, 60. So just you have to increase the okay. So here 160 degree. You just increase this, and here also you increase this. This is your required quadrilateral MIST. Okay. So first we take it MI as a base at M 75 degree, I 105 degree, S 120 degree, here 6.5 degree, then you add MIST. This is the required quadrilateral. Now, when a quadrilateral, any three sides given and two included angles. So, three sides AB, BC given, suppose a quadrilateral, suppose A, B, C, D, AB given 4 cm, BC given 5 cm, CD given 6.5 cm, then angle B equal to 105 degree, angle C equal to 90 degree. So here look, AB, BC, CD. So here angle B equal to 105 degree, angle C equal to 90 degree. If we take BC as a base, then it will be easy for us to construct a quadrilateral. So let's BC as a base. So it is rough diagram. Just we take BC. BC. At B 105 degree. First 90 degree. Then again divide into two parts. Increase this. Okay. At the C 90 degree. This in two part. 90 degree. Okay. So BC CD equals 6.5. You just take 6.5 with a round off on scale. Then you draw an arc. Then AB, this side 4 cm. Again you take 4 cm from rounder. Then you get here A point, here D point. Now join A to D. A to D with a scale. You get required quadrilateral ABCD, which AB equal to 4 cm, BC equal to 5 cm, CD equal to 6.5 cm, angle B 105 degree and angle C 90 degree. So this is required quadrilateral. So when given three sides and include two angles, you follow this rule and you can draw this. So now in some special cases, how can you construct quadrilateral? Special cases means square. Square given only a side is 4 cm. That means all sides are 4 cm, all angles are 90 degree, we know. So when you draw a square, suppose rough diagram simply you draw, it is a square where all sides are 4 cm, we know that. Okay, so 4 cm means at you just take 4 cm, take 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree, 90 degree, here again 4 cm cut, from here you take 4 cm, again from here you take 4 cm, over. It is square. So how I said, first 4 cm, draw 90 degree, again you take 4 cm with rounder, you just draw an arc, from here again another arc, from this point, suppose AB, from B to again arc, so you will get 2 points, join A, B, C, D, you get a square. In case of rectangle also same thing. How can you draw rectangle? Same thing. Suppose rectangle rough diagram, suppose this is rough diagram, A, B, C, D. So here AB given 7 cm, means BC also 7 cm, sorry DC also 7 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, AD also 4 cm. Okay, so simply you take DC, suppose 7 cm, so you draw a 90 degree, okay, 90 degree, take 4 cm with rounder, you just draw an arc from D, again from C another arc 4 cm, same thing, then again take 7 cm, from this point you draw an arc, third step, then you join this point to this point to this, you got required rectangles. Okay, so same procedure. So then rhombus. Rhombus, how you know? You know rhombus also all sides equal and the diagonals are bisect with each other and at perpendicular to each other, 90 degree. So suppose this is rhombus. So rhombus property what? All sides are equal. With that, the diagonals, both diagonals equal and they are intersected to 90 degree. So how will you draw? In a rhombus, only two diagonals given, nothing else given. Suppose here A, B, C, D. AC given, AC equal to 7 cm, then BD equal to 7 cm. So diagonals property what? They intersect with each other at 90 degree. Not diagonals are not equal, but they intersect with each other and creating at 90 degree. So first you take AC. First you have to take, in this case you take first AC, the diagonal. AC, the diagonal. So what we know? They intersect with each other and they are perpendicular to each other. So what we have to do? We just divided the AC into equal two parts. So what is the procedure? Same thing. You just take the more than half of the AC. In rounder, you take, suppose this is half, more than half of the AC. Just to keep your rounder point here and draw an arc. Then below also, below the line. Then from C, same without moving the rounder, again put the at C and you draw another arc at top and also bottom. Then when you join these two, you get the equal part, also this is 90 degree. Okay, you got AC. Then BD given here, suppose AC 7 cm, BD 6 cm. So BD given here 6 cm. So 6 cm means 6 cm half is 3 cm. Okay, so you just take divide in 2 parts. You take 3 cm. You divide the 6 cm by 2. It is 3 cm. Okay, you take with rounder 3 cm. From this point you just draw one arc above and below. So then it is BD. It is 6 cm. Then you join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Then you will get a required rhombus. So you have to take first diagonal, then you have to bisect it. Then what is the another diagonals half of the distance you take, and you draw an arc from point O. You can give it O, from O above or below also. Then you get 2 points B and D. Join A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Then you get required rhombus. So in these special cases we can draw the we can construct the some quadrilaterals. So I hope you can understand it, and you can solve easily the exercise 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5 from your reader book. Thank you.